Hello everyone and welcome to week 4. This is Introduction to Operating Systems, CEIS106. I'm Professor Halsey. In Module 4, we're looking at the Linux file system and how we manage files in Linux. Now, if you're not familiar, in Windows, you actually use a tool that's called File Explorer. Most people don't know the name of it, but that's how we move around in our files in Windows. So that's a graphical interface. We don't use graphical interface in our Linux assignments, so we'll be doing it from the command line. I hope you have fun this week. Our activities look at exploring the file system using the redirect operator. We did a little bit of that in Module 3. We'll get a little bit of it here. And displaying the process information. So as we're going through a process, being able to see the information that's created. Many companies work with different variations of Linux, like we've been looking at distros or flavors, as people call them. DigiKey is really big in the industry in embedded systems, and here they had a series on embedded Linux, which is a smaller version of Linux. It's made to be even more compact and able to go in and drive smaller systems. So that was very interesting. I'll include that link for you. And then just as a side note, if you were asking yourself, well, what's the difference in a regular operating system and an embedded operating system? Here's an article from Digi on what exactly an embedded operating system is. So I hope you enjoy both of those resources and let me know if you have any questions. Hope you have a lot of fun in Module 4. If not, I'm here to answer questions. Thanks a bunch.